Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're taking a look at the VEVOR forks. So let's take a look at the VEVOR large forks as we're milling some wood here. The welds are of very good quality, and the large one has the bigger base plate, so it's more stable
and
under load.
Two of these, two clamps.
Two clamps makes all the difference, as opposed to the small one, which has one clamp. Very affordable pricing here on Amazon. Easy to set up and take off. Holds a lot of weight. Got the safety yellow on the tips, and small and large, they both work very, very well. Does come with a nifty instruction manual. Follow the manual to safely install on your size bucket, and make sure to stay within the load capacity of the forks.